Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed 46th question in level 2. Now this is 47th question. Read the question. The circumcenter of the triangle lies at origin and centroid is middle point of a square plus 1, a square plus 1 and 2a comma minus 2a. Then ortho center is here circumcenter given origin. Okay. Next, centroid is what? Midpoint of these two. What is midpoint formula? You know very well. X1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Students, here observe that numerator a square plus 1 2a. That meaning is a plus 1 whole square or not? Divided by 2. This is a minus 1 whole square by 2. This is finally centroid. But we know that circumcenter, centroid, orthocenter related condition. Here we need to find where the centroid lies. We know the condition. See, this is a condition. Orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter. Centroid divides orthocenter, circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. And here orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter are collinear. O comma G comma S are collinear because these 3 points are lie on the same line. Now we need to find equation of the line and observe here what is circumcenter? Origin. That means the line passing through origin. The line passing through origin. The line passing through origin means what is the formula? Y is equal to mx or not? Y is equal to mx. So here orthocenter, take that x comma y. Orthocenter x comma y. And centroid already we know that. So finally let the equation of the line, let the equation is y is equal to mx. What is slope of the line, students? Slope. Find slope of SG. SG. What is slope of SG? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 plus x1. Sorry, x2 minus x1. This is slope. Substitute here. So numerator we get, and 2 to cancel now. What we get? A minus 1 whole square by a plus 1 whole square into x. This is slope m. Now finally see the calculation. A plus 1 whole square into y is equal to a minus 1 whole square into x. So write the final equation. A minus 1 whole square into x minus a plus 1 whole square into y, that is equal to 0. Here x comma y is orthocenter. So orthocenter lies on the line a minus 1 whole square into x minus a plus 1 whole square into y is equal to 0. Which option correct, students? First option. The orthocenter of the triangle. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines, here 3 lines given, lies in quadrant. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines lies in the quadrant number. The ortho center, where it is lies, they are asking. Actually, in intermediate IP, this is a long answer. But here, what shortcut method is there? See, the equations of the side BC, CA, and AB of the triangle ABC formed by the lines A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, A3x plus B3y plus C3 is equal to 0. Ortho center is point of intersection of these three lines. This is shortcut formula. Take these two, you'll get one equation. Take another two, you'll get one more equation. By solving these two, we get ortho center of the triangle. Okay. Or go to another method. So already you know that. So here three lines given. Take that this is the first one, second, this is third. By solving 2 and 3, you will get this vertex. These line, that means altitude, perpendicular to side 1 and passing through this vertex. Okay. In that way, find the equation of altitude. Take another one, another altitude. This is perpendicular to equation 2. But solve 3 and 1, these vertex you will get. Find the another altitude. The point of intersection of these two altitudes is ortho center. Okay, any one you can do, no problem. Right. So I am going to use now shortcut method. But before going to shortcut method, we need to identify which is L1. L1 is first line. That is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. L2. L2, what is that? 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. L3, 4x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. And in first line, A1 value is 1, B1 value is 1. Second line, A2, 2, B2, 3. In third line, A3 is 4 and B3 is minus 1. Okay. Now here, use shortcut formula A2, A3. A2, A3, how much students? 8, 2 4s are 8, plus B2, B3, minus 3 into, what is L1? X plus y minus 1 is equal to A3, A1, 4 plus B3, B1 minus 1 into L2, 2x plus 3y minus 6. That is equal to A1, A2, 2, B1, B2, 3 into L3. L3 line is 4x minus y plus 9. These three terms. Okay, students, now calculate this. 8 minus 3, 5. By comparing these two, I am going to comparing these two. We get 5x plus 5y minus 5, that is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6, 6x plus 9y minus 18. So left hand side terms send right hand side. X plus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. This is take equation 1. Next, solve these two. Solve these two. What we get, friends? 6x plus 9y minus 18 is equal to 20x minus 5y plus 45. Okay, left hand side terms and right hand side, we get 14x minus 14y minus 18 send that side plus 18, 50, 63. 63 is equal to 0. Any calculation here? Any calculation? This is equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. We get Ortho Centre. Ortho Centre. How to solve, students? By using CMM method. So I am going to write x, y constant. Starting x now. Don't write x coordinates, write y coordinates. Y here 4. Here minus 14. Next constant minus 13. Here constant 63. Next x coordinates 1. Here 14. 4 minus 40. Okay. X divided by 4 into 63. 4 into 63 plus 13 into minus 13 into minus 14. That is plus. So we get 14 into 13. That is equal to y divided by minus 13 into 14 and minus 63. That is equal to 1 divided by minus 14 minus 14 into 4. Okay. Next, solve this. Solve these two. What we get, students? I'm writing here x divided by 63 4s are 4 3s are 12, 24 252 minus 14 into 13 182. That is equal to y divided by 14 into 13 182. That is minus 182 minus 63. Okay, that is equal to 1 by constant minus 14. 14 4s are 56. 56. Now finally, what is x value, students? 252 minus 182. That is 70. 70 divided by 14 minus 56 minus 70. These values should be minus 1. Then y, observe that y. How much is there? 182 plus, sorry, minus 182 minus 63. Totally minus 245 divided by minus 70. Minus 70. That means how much? Okay, we can write like this. 245 by 70. Now x comma y, observe that coordinates. X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive means in which quadrant? Tell me. X is negative, y is positive. Which quadrant? Tell me. X is negative, y is positive. It is lies in second quadrant. Answer is second quadrant. Finally, this is, it belongs to second quadrant. second quadrant, remember it. Next. So I am going to another question, students. See that 49th question. How to do that? Read the question first. If the straight lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, and ax plus by minus 1 is equal to 0, form a triangle with origin as ortho center, then a comma b. Here origin as ortho center given. That means see here, this is one triangle. So this is equation number 1, this is 2, this is 3. Ortho center means the point of concurrency of altitudes called ortho center. So no, here origin is the ortho center given. Ortho center is origin. Okay. Do one thing. Solve 1 and 2. We get vertex A and altitude and equation of third equation. Both are perpendicular to each other. Two lines are perpendicular means product of the slope is equal to -1. So we will use this concept. So in that basis, we can eliminate the options. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. How to solve? By using CMM method. X, Y constant. Starts Y coefficient onwards. Tell me Y coefficients. 3, 2. Next constant. -1, -1. Next X, 2, 1. Again, starting whatever we have written, write that. X divided by, observe that, -3 plus 2. -3 plus 2. Y divided by -1 plus 2. Constant divided by what? 4 minus 3. Finally, here observe that. What about x and y? X comma y. X is -3 plus 2 minus 1. Here 1. -1 by 1 -1 comma 1. So a point is -1 comma 1. So slope of OA, MOA, that meaning is slope of OA. What is that? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is -1. Slope of line 3. Slope of line 3. What is that? That is, I am taking M2. This is M1 for suppose. Slope of the line formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So these two perpendicular. Use the concept M1, M2 is equal to -1 because two lines are perpendicular means product of the slopes is equal to -1. Right here, -1 into minus a by b, that is equal to -1. A by b, that is equal to -1. Here see that a comma b ordered pair options given. A divided by b. Which option correct? Second option, -3 comma 3, as well as third option also correct, -8 by 8. These are, we can think a comma b. Then what is a by b? A by b, by observing the second option, we get -3 by 3, that is -1. So it is satisfied now, correct. Third option, a by b, -8 by 8, that is equal to -1. This is also satisfied. This is also satisfied. Then how to do remaining? Which option is correct? Which option is correct? How to identify? For suppose I am taking A comma B is minus 3 comma 3. Minus 3 comma 3. Substitute in the line. What is the line? Ax plus by minus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute minus 3x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 3x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is third equation. Third equation. Solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. Then what happens? See. 1 minute, students. Mouse is not working properly. Solve 1 and 3. Then what happens? See. Where is 1? Equation 1 is already we have written coefficients 3 minus 1 2 3. Third one minus 3 1 3 minus 3. So we get the equation, we get the point, sorry, what is the point? 3 minus 3 y by minus 3 minus 2 1 by minus 6 minus 9. So here observe that x point is 0, then is what is y? Minus 1 by 3, sorry, plus 1 by 3. Overall the point is 0 comma 1 by 3. Which point, students? See the diagram. See the diagram. These point 0 comma 1 by 3. Find slope of this. Slope of this. These two are perpendicular now. By observing the slope, then we will decide. Then here this is a point for suppose C, and O is ortho center 0 comma 0. Slope of OC, how much? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is undefined, not defined. The slope is not defined. But slope of line 2, slope of line 2, how much? In this basis, I am going to eliminate. Observe that line 2, what is that? X plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. What is slope of the line? Minus 1 by 2. So here we are getting different. Minus 1 by 2. Perpendicular slope means what? 2. But we are getting not defined. So minus 3 comma 3 is not correct. Now which one is correct? Correct answer is minus 8 comma 8. This is the correct.